We buy houses anywhere in the Bay Area and at any price. Check out how our process works. We're ready to give you a fair offer for your house. If you want to sell your East Bay house, we're ready to give you a fair, all cash offer. Stop the frustration of your unwanted property. Let us buy your California house now, regardless of its condition. Are you avoiding foreclosure, facing divorce, moving, upside down your mortgage? Do you have liens? It doesn't matter whether you live in it or if you're renting it out. It's vacant or not even habitable. We help owners who have inherited an unwanted property, own a vacant house, are behind on payments, owe liens, downsized, and can't sell, even if the house needs repairs that you can't pay for. And yes, if the house is fire damaged or has bad rental tenants. Basically, if you got a property and need to sell it, we'd like to make you a fair cash offer and close on it when you're ready to sell. For more information, give us a call directly at 510-381-2173.